Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg-free churros with an easy guide. We will start by gathering just a few simple ingredients and basic kitchen tools. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a delightful treat without eggs, ensuring a crispy exterior and a soft interior. Get ready to create a fantastic dessert that everyone can enjoy, following these straightforward steps. Now, let's create the perfect churro dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately take it off the heat. Quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a thick, smooth dough forms. It should easily pull away from the pan, indicating it's ready for the next step. Next, we'll fry our churros to golden perfection. Heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep frying pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe the dough into the hot oil using a star-tipped piping bag, cutting them to your desired length. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remember to drain them on paper towels. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious churros. While they are still warm, roll them generously in a delightful mixture of cinnamon and sugar. For a truly classic experience, serve them immediately with a rich, warm chocolate dipping sauce. You can also enjoy them plain or with a sweet caramel drizzle. This recipe typically yields about 12 to 15 delightful churros, perfect for sharing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.